Hello guys, my name is Nikshit Patel. Here I will discuss about how to make your home look like you hired an interior designer. Now, as per my experience, here I suggested several elements which is very important while designing our house. Now, I will discuss all these elements in detail. The first element here it is research about various materials. We all know that in the process of designing house we require various kind of materials like mirror, color, wood, curtain, tiles, etc. But the problem here is we do not know about the quality of this product or material. If we go to the market we cannot differentiate between low quality product and high quality product, so we should gather some knowledge about the material, and then if we go to the market we will be able to choose perfect material for our house, the best quality product. Now the second point here is space is the most crucial element in interior design. uh, Now what is the meaning of space? What do we mean by space? If we design a room, so we do not need to uh, fill the area as it look congested area, and also we do not need to fill this area as it look like empty area. So rooms need both filled area and unfilled area in balance, hence it looks eye catching. Now the third point is color. Now color is very significant part. Different colors have different impact on our mood, psychology says. So you should choose white or off-white color for walls as well as for ceilings, because light colors give illusion of more space. Another point is white color reflects more light than other colors, so it is advisable to use light colors. Now the second point is you can highlight one wall in the sitting area or room as a focal point, so it look attractive when someone enters the room. It if he or she see the focal point in your room, it look very attractive. Now the fourth point here is lighting is obviously the crucial element. My advice is select your lights creatively so that you can alter the lighting according to your mood. You should select 3-in-1 lights in your room so you can change the theme of your house at night. Now you can see here uh, three photos during the light. 1.1 which is the white theme, and 1.2 which is the warm light, and the 1.3 which is natural white light. Here the all light are the same, but the by switching off and on this switch you can change the theme. Now the fifth point is pattern. Now pattern is another element that adds uniqueness and life to the room. Now what is the pattern? The pattern means the design of TV unit and paneling outside your bed, also the design of your bed. Now there are various kind of patterns, but here I listed three main patterns: floral, geometric, and abstract. So here you can see the images. There are two types of geometric designs. Now the sixth point here I see important is lively environment. The lively environment of our house is very important. For that we have to grow more plants in our house. Plants improve the air quality, the first point, hence it is advantageous to our immune system as well as our mental health. So it is advisable to plant more and more plants in our house. Here I make a list of some indoor plants you can see, and here you can see some pictures. uh, that's it, thank you.